Most cats have that specific look of total wide-eyed suspicion when something in the room starts moving without their permission. You know the one. The ears swivel back. The tail starts that slow rhythmic twitch. They're trying to decide if this thing is a friend or a mortal enemy. Watching a cat encounter a high-tech motorized mouse for the first time is basically a masterclass in feline curiosity. It's not just about the chase. It's about the puzzle. This little gadget starts spinning and chopping on the floor, and the reaction is immediate. It's not one of those cheap plastic things that just rolls into a corner and dies. It actually engages their brain. The cat stands there, frozen. He's looking at this spinning object like it just dropped from outer space. The device is built with these specific textures that drive them wild. We're talking about silver fine wood on the back. That's a game changer for most pet owners. It's like catnip, but sometimes even more intense for the picky ones. Then you've got the string texture that they love to sink their claws into. It creates this tactile experience that keeps them from getting bored. Most toys end up under the couch, forgotten within a day. This one seems to have more staying power because it's unpredictable. It moves. It makes noise. It mimics the weird, jerky movements of actual prey. One of the best parts about this design is the power situation. I'm so tired of digging through drawers for tiny button batteries. Those things are a nightmare. They're dangerous if a cat manages to chew through the casing. This toy uses a simple charger. You just plug it in when the cat is napping. It's safer and way more convenient. Plus, it feels heavy and durable in your hand. It doesn't feel like it'll shatter the first time it hits a wall. Watching the cat try to figure it out is the best entertainment. He's not just mindlessly batting at it. He's observing. He's talking. He's trying to understand the mechanics of this spinning intruder. It's hilarious to see him look at the human, then back at the toy with a face that says, "What on earth is going on here?" The way it spins and darts around the floor keeps him on his toes. You can see the gears turning in his head as he tries to predict where that little tail is going to flick next. It's like watching a tiny fluffy scientist conducting a physics experiment on your carpet. If it stops moving for a second, he edges closer, only for it to burst back into life. That unpredictability is exactly what makes it work. It provides that mental stimulation that indoor cats desperately need. You can see his little brain working. He's calculating the trajectory. He's waiting for the perfect moment to pounce. Even the sound it makes adds to the realism. It's not annoying or overly loud. It's just enough to catch their attention. The build quality is really impressive. It stands up to the rough play. It handles the pouncing and the biting without a scratch. If you've got a cat that's bored of the usual feathers on a stick, this is a massive step up. It turns the living room into a hunting ground. It's a relief to find something that actually holds their interest. This is a tiny robotic companion that challenges their instincts. Every time it moves, the cat reacts with a fresh burst of energy. The silver vine really seals the deal. It adds that olfactory layer to the play. The cat smells it and immediately gets more invested. It's a multi-sensory experience. They see it moving. They hear the chirping. They feel the wood and string. It hits every single feline trigger. It's absolute gold for any pet parent.